How do you manage conflict? In this video, we'll explore how managing conflict is a critical management skill. Whenever you have a group of employees, conflict and tension aren't far away. But as managers, we are employed to manage tensions and reduce conflict effectively. This means managing diverse viewpoints to gather feedback. It means viewing tensions as a driver of innovation and change. It means seeing conflict as an opportunity if we are to be successful in managing tensions effectively. Let's explore 4 key myths about conflict. Number 1. Conflict is always going to happen. It's unavoidable. It's clear that the world comprises different personality types, belief systems, priorities, and outlooks. From personal experience, you'll be able to empathize with the tension that can be present. However, tension is not the same as conflict, and conflict is not inevitable. Tension can be managed, and the fallout associated with unmanaged conflict avoided. Number 2. Conflict never ends well. Tension often arrives from change and differing viewpoints, whilst an absence of different views leaves a team static, stale, and moribund. Use this tension to explore new ideas, invite feedback, and improve how your team does things. Conflict can be the door to improvement. Number 3. Personalities will always clash. Not necessarily. When colleagues say, "It's just my personality type," they are reneging responsibility for their behavior. It is what we do which festers conflict, not who we are. Who we are works well when managed effectively within a team. Embrace it. Number 4. Conflict is an excuse for poor behavior. No, it isn't. Poor behavior is neither inevitable, necessary, or justified. Managing conflict does require effort, energy, and the use of learned skills. However, it is entirely within your responsibility as a manager to manage tension and use it to drive growth.